Death is something which God never created.
Yinto angazange nje wayidala ukufa uNkulunkulu.
If death entered through Adam,
Makuthi ukufa kungene ngoAdam.
it means it was not present from the beginning.
Okusho ukuthi bekungekho kwaseqaleni.
It was not present from the beginning.
Bekungekho.
Because remember, after God created all things,
Ngoba khumbula uNkulunkulu esedale konke.
it says the Holy Spirit
Lithi umoya oyingcwele.
was there hovering upon the earth,
Wawukhona uhamba hamba emhlabeni.
upon the surface of the water.
Phezu kobuso bamanzi.
So meaning life was already there.
Okusho ukuthi impilo beyisivela ikhona.
Life was already there. But death came through Adam.
Kodwa ukufa kuze ngoAdam.
His disobedience
Ukungalaleli kwakhe
to the command of God
emiyalelweni kaNkulunkulu
brought death
kwaletha ukufa
upon everyone.
phezu kwawo wonke umuntu.
Sinning against God
Ona kuNkulunkulu
brought death.
ukufa kwaletha nje ukufa. Ukona kwaletha ukufa.
Sinning brought death.
Ukona kwaletha ukufa.
Now, meaning everyone died.
Okusho ukuthi wonke umuntu wafake.
God said to Adam,
uNkulunkulu wathi
the
kuAdam,
day you are going to eat from that tree,
ngalelanga nje ozodla ngalo kulesi sihlahla
he said you will die.
wathi uzofa.
He didn't say you will go to the grave. He
Akashonga
said
ukuthi
you will
uyobethuka,
die.
kodwa uthe uzofa.
The day you eat from that tree.
Wadla nje kulomuthi.
So Adam did not die when God said go back to the ground.
Akafanga ke uAdam mayithi uNkulunkulu buyele
Adam
emhlabeni.
died immediately he ate from the wrong tree.
Kodwa ufe ngokudla nje sihlahleni esingalungile.
Disobeying God.
Ngokungalaleli nje uNkulunkulu.
Sinning against God.
Ukona
He
kuNkulunkulu.
died immediately.
Wafa ngaleso sikhathi.
And he was left with a reputation that he's alive.
Wayesesala negama nje lokuthi uyaphila.
Because when people see themselves, bahamba hamba la emhlabeni bathi bayaphila. But the absence of the Holy Spirit,
Kodwa ubungabikho bukamoya oyingcwele.
it declares you dead,
Kuthi wena ufile.
separated from God.
Wehlukene noNkulunkulu.
Though you are in this body,
Nakuba kulomzimba,
but you are away from God.
kodwa uqhelile kuNkulunkulu.
So the Holy Spirit
Ngakho kumoya oyingcwele
helps us
uyasiza
that though we live in this
ukuthi
body
nakuba siphila kulomzimba,
that was supposed to be away from God,
lokho kumele ube kude noNkulunkulu.
far from God,
Qhele
because
kuNkulunkulu.
it's dust,
Ngoba uthuli,
it's dust and flesh.
uthuli nenyama.
It's a sinful body.
Umzimba wokona.
Though we are living in it,
Nakuba siphila
we were
kuwo,
supposed to be far from God
kwakumele sibe kude noNkulunkulu.
because we carried death
Ngoba siphethe ukufa
that came through Adam.
okweza ngoAdam.
So it means from Adam until Moses,
Ukusho ukuthi kusuka kuAdam kuye kuMose,
a lot of people were away from God.
abantu abaningi
They were separated from God.
behlukene noNkulunkulu.
They were separated from God.
Bahlukana noNkulunkulu.
That's why it's not everyone who knew God.
Ingakho akusinoma ubani owazi.
God will raise a prophet, God will raise some people
Bekavusa abaprofeti nabantu
who
abathile
will be able to know him.
abazokwazi ukumazi.
Moses led the Israelites, but the Israelites never knew God.
Wahola abakwaIsrayeli uMose kodwa zange bamazi.
He was the only one who knew God.
Kwakunguye yedwa wazi uNkulunkulu.
And the enemy of God, which is death,
Isitha sikaNkulunkulu
continued to
okukufa
kill them.
saqhubeka sababulala.
The nature of Adam,
Indalo nje
it
kaAdam
ruled in them
yabusa kubo.
disobedience,
Ukungalaleli
sinning against God.
ukona kuNkulunkulu.
Now you can think that nyapila. As long as you don't hear God,
Kuphela nje mawungamuzi
as
uNkulunkulu,
long as there's no obedience in you,
mawungamlaleli,
as long as you don't have the Holy Spirit,
ungenawo nomoya oyingcwele,
your reputation says you are dead.
igama lakho nje ukuthi wena ufile.
Never think you are alive
Ungalokho
because you are breathing in and out.
uyitshela ngoba uyaphefumula.
You are dead
Ufile
until
kuze
you
kufike
are
lana
united with God.
usondezwa uhlanganiswa noNkulunkulu.
Until that body
Kuze kube lowo
that was
mzimba
supposed to be far from God
okwakumele ube kude noNkulunkulu
is drawn near to God
usudonswa usondezwa kuNkulunkulu
through the Holy Spirit.
ngomoya nje oyingcwele,
Through the Holy Spirit.
ngomoya oyingcwele.
Because God is spirit.
Ngoba uNkulunkulu ngumoya.
God is spirit.
uNkulunkulu
He
ngumoya.
is life.
Ukuphila.
Spirit means life.
Umoya kusho ukuthi ukuphila.
Adam came.
uAdam weza
He ate from the wrong tree.
wadla esihlahleni esingasona.
He ate from the
Wadla esihlahleni
and death
esingafanele.
came.
Kwase kuzukufa.
Before Yamatuneni. He died. So when he died, it means he died with us.
Mayefake kusho ukuthi wafa nathi.
He died with us
Kusho ukuthi wafa nathi.
and separated us from God
Wasehlukanisa kwathina kuNkulunkulu
because of sin.
ngenxa nje yesono.
because of disobedience.
ngenxa
Then
yokungalaleli.
it says the second Adam, who is Jesus,
Lithi ke uAdam wesibili onguJesu
came with obedience,
uze nokulalela.
came with the life-giving spirit
Uze nomoya onikeza ukuphila
to take away death.
ukuthi asuse ukufa.
So his death
Ngakho ukufa kwakhe
did not separate us
akusehlukanisanga
from God. It brought us to God.
kodwa kusondeze.
But the first death from Adam,
Kodwa ukufa kokuqala okubuya kuAdam
because it was mixed with
ngoba
disobedience,
kwakuhlanganiswe nokungalaleli.
separated us.
Wasehlukanisa ke.
So Jesus comes with the kind of death
Ngakho uJesu uza nalolu hlobo
that is
lokufa
not caused by sin.
olungenziwanga olungabangwanga
It says he
yisono.
humbled himself
Lithi
to
wazithoba
the point of death.
waze wafika ekufeni.
He listened to God
Walalela nje uNkulunkulu
until he died,
waze wafa.
so that his death does not get contaminated
Ukuze ukufa kwakhe kungangcoliseki
with disobedience
ngenxa nje
and
yokungalaleli
sin.
nesono.
So he died to bring us close.
Wafela ukusondeza eduze.
So abaningi babambe lokufa lokwesono, disobedience. That's why that nature yokungenza umoya engcwele isaphile ebantwini abaningi. Umoya engcwele nawuthi left but the right, left but the right. The nature of death
Le ndalo yesono
working against the Holy Spirit. The nature of death working against the Holy Spirit,
indalo yesono iphikisana nomoya
opposing the purpose of God.
ilwa iphikisana nenjongo kaNkulunkulu.
Romans 8 verse 9. Those who don't have the Holy Spirit, they don't belong to God.
Abangela umoya
They don't belong to
bona bakaNkulunkulu.
Those sikhona sinemizimba sonke. Not everyone belongs to God.
Akusiwona wonke umuntu ongokaNkulunkulu.
Not everyone belongs to God.
Akusinoma ubani
As long as you don't have the Holy Spirit,
mawungenawo nje
you don't belong to him.
awusiyena wakhe.